What's up, guys? Thought I'd post a little tutorial on moving your Metamask UNISWAP tokens over to Kucoin in case you're one of the many that want to sell 50%. All right, here we go. First things first, get into your Metamask, come up here, count 3, got 400 uni, and we're going to send it. So, for your address, you're going to need to go over to your Kucoin account, click the deposit tab, come over here and search for UNISWAP. All right, so here is our deposit address right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and click copy, come over here to my MetaMask, add my Kucoin as a recipient. I'm going to be like all of you guys and send 50%. So, gas fee is looking a little high. I think we're going to go to advanced option here. Yeah, 32 seconds. That looks all right. I think I'm going to send it. All right, here we go. Going to confirm. And we have a pending transaction. Here's our transaction details here. All right. Looks like we paid a little bit less in gas here. Great. Okay, while we're waiting for a refresh, just note that it does take 12 confirmations. So be patient. Our transaction out, we can go over here and click on view on Etherscan. This will take us to the Etherscan blockchain where we can see our transaction. So it looks like status is success. We have from address to, and then right here, the transaction fee plus the gas price. And if we go over here to deposits and withdrawal history, we can see that our transaction is in progress. All right, guys. I hope this has, okay, here we go. Looks like we just received our assets. All right, guys. Hope this helps. And enjoy your stimulus checks, guys. This is awesome. Uniswap, it sometimes pays going out on a limb. You never know what you're going to get with these ERC20 tokens. And just remember, guys, with that being said, this is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we're willing to help you guys out. We're going to be putting out a Kraken tutorial. It's a new exchange that just got state and federal licensing in the United States. This is huge news, guys. You'll be able to deposit your fiat with no problems. All right, guys. Stay safe, smoky, and sunny.